Okay, so hello and welcome to a new video. So this video is in this video I'm going to talk about some things about the laptop. If you're looking for a new laptop to buy, like recently I've seen many YouTubers have started creating videos about laptop and back to school series and many things like that. So like they have seen a trend of about laptop and how which laptop should you buy and what are the things you should consider buying a laptop. So in this video I'm going to tell about my experience, how I started looking for a laptop and which laptop should I bought. So this is my laptop. So this is Acer Aspire 5, and like this is like old model. Like I will explain you everything. So I started looking for a laptop in 2019 November. Like at that time, it was Diwali sale or end of the year sale or Big Billion Day. I'm not sure, but at that time, Flipkart and Amazon had a huge sale on laptops. Like I remember the Acer Predator, which is right now it's around 60, 65 or 56. At that time, it was cost 47,000, which was a huge discount, and my roommate bought that. But at that time I already had a laptop from my friend. I was using my friend's laptop and I didn't had any plan to buy a new laptop. So at that time I didn't notice it that much. But after my first semester I realized that I should have bought laptop at that time, and that it was a great chance. I missed it, but it's totally fine. Then I started looking for laptops on sale. So I just went to Google and I just started like when is the next sale on Flipkart or Amazon for the electronics. So if you like search on this Google, you will get all the list of the dates on which they are going to open a sale, and what are the things they are targeting for that sale, and what are the like how much discount you can get. So I started looking for that, but there was like some issues. Like I made a fixed budget of 50,000, and my criteria was I wanted to go for this designing and everything. So I knew that I will be needing graphic card and extra RAM and SSD like that. So in the starting, when I started like researching like what are the things we should consider in a laptop, I took many opinions. I used to like talk to every person, every next person who had a laptop. So by like talking to everyone, I got a huge like lots of ideas and their opinions. And because of that I was so confused. Like somebody said to me that you should have a minimum of 8 GB graphic card in your laptop, and someone said you should have minimum 16 GB RAM, and that everything, like it was a mess in my mind. And at that time I didn't knew like what is good for me and what is good for my criteria. So after that I started looking by myself, researching about by myself only. I started looking on YouTube, like what are the criteria we should consider for which type of thing you're going to do. As if like you are just a normal student who just want to do coding, then a laptop within 20 or 30,000 is more than enough. You can do all the programming and you can run all the codes over there. But I wanted to know like what I thought, if I buy a cheap laptop like 30 or 20,000 with low specs, like i3 7 gen processor, 4 GB RAM and a hard drive, so it will be like enough for my college. But after college, if I wanted to explore something new, like video editing or animation, illustrator, it will be a bit difficult for me. I'm not saying that I will not be able to do, but I will there will be lag and many problems like that. So I don't wanted that to happen, because what I thought, like at least I made a minimum requirements which I need. So my requirement was I needed SSD, maybe it's less or more, no, I don't care. And but SSD should be there, and minimum like a graphic card, not integrated Intel graphic card, Nvidia or AMD graphic card, minimum of 2 GB. So that like if my budget is less, and in the future if I in the future if I want to do designing or something, I will be able to do, not on a big scale. I cannot like I will not be able to render 4K videos or things like that, but still I will be having a graphic card, so it will be a much better than a integrated graphic card. And I didn't thought about hard drive. If I am getting SSD, that's enough. But as you all know, like SSD is bit costly and the storage is less. So what I thought, till my college time, I will be able to like manage with my SSD storage, and if I needed more, I will use the external hard drive. That's the basic idea. So so the time went, and I thought I will buy the laptop after this lockdown, and definitely in the starting of the second year. But in the lockdown, I thought, but I was trying. I started learning new things. I was trying to design on Canva using phone only, but I realized I'm not able to do much things on my phone only, and I thought like most of the time is getting wasted, and it would have been better if I had a like PC or a laptop on which I can actually do the things on like how it is done. So I started looking laptop, and they were like I made a wish list like from November 2019 to March or May 2020. I made a wish list, and I added many laptop in my favorite, and I was constantly looking like is there any discount on some laptop, and my budget was fixed. I wanted a laptop under 50,000 with all the specs, and there were like many good laptops also, like HP Pavilion, which was offering Ryzen 5 and 126 GB SSD and a hard drive and a 3 GB NVIDIA graphic. That was a pretty good laptop, but by the time I finally decided to buy a laptop, it was more than 50. Before it was 49,000, and when I decided to buy a laptop, it was like 53,000. So that was going out of my budget, and I don't wanted to cross my budget in any way. So finally one day I saw this laptop, the Acer Aspire 5 on Amazon, and I will give the specs somewhere here, all the specs in detail. But what the thing I got in this one is that it was offering me a 2 GB NVIDIA graphic, MX250, and it was offering me SSD 562, I don't remember, but it was offering SSD, and it was at the same time it was offering 2 TB hard drive also, which was like unique, because before in any laptop, like in Acer 5 different models, I didn't saw that they're giving 2 TB hard drive, and I saw that okay, so this is something different, and everything was same, but the extra thing was they're offering 2 TB hard drive. Then I thought, why shouldn't I try this out? Because if I get a hard drive, I don't need to worry about storage in future also. I don't need to buy this one external hard drive or external SSD. So that's the same day I thought that this is the time I should buy this laptop. If I do some more delay, maybe this will get out of stock. So at the same day I bought this laptop, and yeah, that's everything about how I bought my laptop. So the basic tips I wanted to give you, that if you're looking to buy a new laptop, first decide what you wanted to do, what is the basic needs you will be doing on the laptop. Like, will you be just using it for programming, or just MS Office, Word, PPTs, or you wanted to go for an animation or gaming or something. In my view, I didn't thought about gaming at all. I don't wanted to waste my time in gaming and all that. I was only thinking that if in the future I started video editing or designing or something, there will be no issue when I start. There should be no issues. So that's the basic thing. Like, you should think what are the things you're planning to do when you get a laptop, and start. If you're getting the opinions, ask for those people who are already in that field. Like, if I wanted to do a graphic designing, I already had my classmate who is doing good in that. So I asked him, like, can you suggest me and he suggested me some good laptops. And before buying this one also, I asked him like, should I buy this? And he said, yeah, it's a good deal, and maybe it will get out of stock soon, so you should order it now. Then I ordered it and I got it. So the basic thing is like, look for a right time. Just what I said, search on Google when is the next sale, and if you're getting a good deal on it that day, please, I will suggest do order on that day only, because there are many chances that if laptops get a good specs, it will get out of stock soon. So don't wait for laptop getting out of stock. Just decide, just ask your parents who are going to pay you, and like talk to people who you were consider like taking opinions before only. Ask them like, is this the best choice? And if they said yeah, if they say yes, then you should definitely go for it. So that's all about the laptop. And the next thing I wanted to talk about, like, I'm thinking to start designing series on my YouTube channel. So how will be that? Like, I will be explaining my experience on Canva. I started like, I have experience of 4 or 5 months on Canva. So I wanted to give my I wanted to like deliver my experience, and what are the things I learned in a series, like how to design a poster, how to design an application, resume, everything on Canva, which is available. I've spent good amount of time on that website, and I've tried many things. So I'm just thinking to start a series. So if you want to like have if you like to watch that, please like let me know, like DM me or comment. That will be just a great indication that yes, I should do that. And yeah, that's all, and see you guys in the next video.